So students, this is a question of coordinate geometry. So this question is 4y plus 4x is equal to 23 intersects the curve. This word is very important, intersects. Okay, and alternate words for this are meet or cross. Okay, these type of the words. If they come, you solve these two equations. Like one equation is y plus 4x plus 4x is equal to 23, and the other equation is equation of the curve, which is xy plus x is equal to 20. So simple thing you are going to do, that you will solve them simultaneously, these two equations, to get the coordinates of the point. So simultaneously, fine, simultaneously. So at 2 points A and B, okay, the line y is plus 4x is equal to 23 intersects the curve at point A and B. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of line AB. Like for example, if this is a curve, I roughly explain you this curve. For example, this is the curve and this is the line. This is the line. Suppose this is the line, okay, and this line is intersecting the curve at A and B, at A and B. So we are supposed to find out the equation of line which is perpendicular to this line AB. So for example, I make this blue line here. So what we are, this line is actually a perpendicular bisector. Bisector means that this is going to bisect this line AB. So it means this is a midpoint. This is a midpoint. Okay, and let we represent it by capital M. Okay, midpoint. So we will definitely find the coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate of midpoint. Why we will find out, that I will tell you later. And we will find out, obviously we are supposed to use equation y is equal to mx plus c, because we are supposed to find out the equation of the line. This perpendicular bisector is basically a line, so we are supposed to find out the m for this line and also c for this line. Okay, m and c for this line. Okay, let's call m for the line AB as m1, and let's call m for blue line as m2, which we need. Okay, so this is m2, and c we are supposed to find out. So let's start our working. When we will solve it simultaneously, obviously first we will make here one variable subject. Let's make y subject. So y will be equal to 23 minus 4x. This we are going to substitute in this equation, of the curve. So it will take, this equation will take this form, and this we are going to later on use for finding the y coordinates of the points, this which we have made subject. So now let's replace it here. So it will become x into 23 plus 4x and plus x equals to 20. Let's simplify it. It will become 23x plus 4x square plus x equals to 20. Now it will become 4x square 4 sorry, this is negative, so let me just change it the sign, because this is negative, so this is negative, so it will be minus 4x square plus 24x minus 20 is equal to 0. Then take minus 4 common, you will get x square minus 6x and plus 5 equals to 0, and x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. Now do midterm breaking and you will get it equal to x square minus 5x minus x plus 5 equals to 0. X common, x minus 5, and minus 1 common, x minus 5 equals to 0, and x is equal to, you will get by further simplification, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 5. So we got the x coordinates of A and B. Now against these x values we will get the values of y. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 23 minus, because 4 ones are 4, so 23 minus 4, that will be equal to 19. So point A's coordinates let's take as 1 comma 19. Now when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 23 minus 4 5s are 20, and that will be equal to 3. So B is a point whose coordinates are 5 comma 3. So we have obtained the coordinates of A and B. Now let's quickly get the gradient m1, but we need m2. Okay, so they both are perpendicular to each other, and you know the formula, like when the lines are perpendicular, so their gradients product is always equal to -1. This we will use to get the value of m2. So now first let's find out the value of m1. That will be equal to, m1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now that will be equal to y2 19 minus 3 over 1 minus 5. That is equal to 16 over minus 4, which is equal to -4. So m1 is equal to -4. Now we need to find out m2. So m2 will be equal to, we will use this formula to get m2, and m2 is equal to, -4 into m2 is equal to -1, because I have substituted the value of m1 here. So it will be m2 equals to -1 over -4, that is equal to 1 over 4. So m2 is 1 over 4. Now let's plug in this value here in this equation. So then it will be y is equal to 1 over 4 x plus c. Now we have to work for the value of c. Okay, so to find c, if you have learned the coordinate geometry before, you know we need gradients value, that is m2, and we need one point on the line. So there is only one point here, which is the midpoint on this blue line. There is no other, because on this line we have point A, point B, but on this blue line we have only midpoint, that is capital M. So let's quickly find out the coordinates of capital M. So coordinates of capital M will be, because we just want to find out C. So value of M2 we have found, that is 1 over 4. M we are supposed to find out. So M will be equal to the coordinates of the, we will add to find out the midpoint. We add the x coordinates divided by 2 and y coordinates divided by 2. I write it for you: x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So M's coordinates will be x1. A is having the coordinates 1 comma 19 and B is having the coordinates 5 comma 3. So 1 plus 5 over 2 and 19 plus 3 over 2. So M will be equal to 6 over 2, that is 3, and 22 over 2, that is equal to 11. Now plug in these values for x and y in this equation and get the value of C. So that will be 11 equals to 1 over 4 into 3 plus C, and 11 minus 3 over 4 equals to C, which implies to 44 minus 3 over 4 equals C, and C will be equal to 41 over 4. So when you will further simplify it, it will become, when you substitute the value, not simplify, when you substitute the value of C, it will become 1 over 4 x plus 41 over 4. When you will take LCM, it will become 4x plus 41 by, now simplify it further, it will become 4y equals to x plus 41. So this is answer of the question. Okay, so I hope so that you have understood this. If there is any part which is confusing, you can text me, talk to me on this number 4078902. So till then, take care, and I hope that you will definitely subscribe my channel. Okay, so take care.